Hi girls, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make natural vitamin C serum. This vitamin C serum helps to maintain healthy youthful complexion, promotes collagen production, protect skin from sun damage, reduce under eye circle, fine line and wrinkles, reduce skin discoloration. It hydrate and moisturize your skin and give you brighter, healthier skin. For making serum, you don't need a vitamin C capsules because sugar-free vitamin C capsules are very hard to find. For this, all you need is aloe vera gel. It acts as a moisturizer. It treats sunburn. It treats your acne, fight against aging. It helps to lighten your marks, spot, and all we know, aloe vera is very beneficial for your skin. And the second one is rose water. Rose water has anti-inflammatory property that can help to reduce redness of irritated skin. It helps to get rid of acne. Rose water helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin and also give you refreshed look. And the next one is glycerin. Glycerin is a awesome moisturizer. Glycerin increases the thickness of the epidermal layer of skin. It prevents from harmful chemical and environmental elements. It helps to lock moisture in skin. And the next one is orange. I'm not using the fruit part of the orange. I'm only using peel of the fresh orange. Orange peel contain high amount of vitamin C as well as vitamin A and enzyme and fiber. They help to improve your complexion, brighten your skin and give you smooth youthful skin, so it is very beneficial. And the next one is vitamin E. Vitamin E removes your premature skin aging. It removes your dark spots and mark. It helps to improve your complexion. It moisturizes and hydrate your skin. So I'm using 2 of them, vitamin E capsule, to grate the orange. I'm using 1 tablespoon of orange peel. Then I'm going to soak this in a 100 ml of rose water for 30 minutes. Next step is, in another glass I am going to add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and half a tablespoon of glycerin. Mix this well, and then I am going to add 2 vitamin E capsules. Mix this well until it combined properly. Mix properly. Now I am going to add soaked orange peel, orange rose water, whatever you see. Now I'm going to strain this. Now mix this well until all the ingredients combined properly. My serum is ready. Now I am going to transfer this in a dark glass container. Now I am going to apply this on my hand. Now you can see it is ready to use. It moisturizes and hydrates my skin. I'm going to add this in my skincare routine. So add this on your skincare routine, so you get a healthy, smooth, fresh skin. You don't need to buy expensive vitamin C serum from the market, so it works pretty well. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, then please give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. Bye.